Welcome to our channel, State Board Resource Center. We're your online source for passing your licensing exam. Whether your license is barber, cosmetology, aesthetics, or nail technology, people call it manicure, pedicure. We are your online source for passing your test. We have a number of products to help you. We have books like this with all the questions and answers, gives you the question, the answer, the page number, and the textbook where it came from. Every question asked in the last 9 to 12 months of your state, very state specific, available in English and Spanish. Barber, cosmetology, aesthetics, or nail technology. We also do private courses, private training. It's done through your phone, just you and the instructor. It's live sessions, so you can ask all the questions you need to ask. It's not like pre-recorded like these are. The sessions last 1 hour each. There's 7 sessions in total. It goes through every chapter in your textbook. Whatever textbook you have makes no difference. New book, old book, Milady, Pivot Point, SEMA, makes no difference. We'll go through every chapter and show you page by page what the questions are. Now, in this little series of 10 short videos, we're trying to give you a synopsis of how that actual training works. Now, today we're going to talk about barbers, shaving. Before the cosmetologists click out, keep in mind many cosmetology people now are doing the barber crossover, and they're always surprised of the shaving questions. What I'm surprised by is how the people who charge you for the crossover course didn't tell you about this. And many cosmetology students will tell me, well, I'm not going to shave my clients. That's fine, okay? I have a barber license. I don't like shaving my clients. It doesn't make any difference. Once you get a license, you do what you want. But on the test, for those crossover Cosmo students, a lot of shaving questions. For the regular barber students, a lot of shaving questions. And before we begin to get into the actual meat and potatoes, so to speak, the nuts and bolts of what's on the shaving exam, if you learn anything from these videos, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button. You'll be notified going forward of any future videos. Now, having said that, I'm going to move right into shaving. What are they going to ask you on the test about shaving? This is what we're going to ask you about. Head shaving. Now, in your book, head shaving is in the chapter on hair cutting, not shaving. On your exam, it's all lumped together with shaving. Head shaving. There's about 2 to 4 questions on head shaving. You might think to yourself, well, that's not very much. When you consider the average person that fails their licensing exam misses by 3 to 4 points, and the average person that misses will fail the test 4 times. So those 2 to 4 head shaving questions could be the deal breaker for you. Don't let that happen. Okay? Head shaving. As far as facial shaving, the 14 areas of the face and the 4 shaving positions. It's very easy on testing to get those questions confused in your mind. There's 14 shaving areas, there's 4 shaving positions. There's always a question on the proper holding of the razor. They will ask you which shaving position is used in which of the shaving areas. 14 shaving areas, 4 positions. Which position is used in which area? Now, you don't need to know all 14. You only need to know about 3 or 4. Okay? On our private training, we beat this issue to death. Which 4 you need to know. I don't have time in these short videos to go into them. Either look in your book or give us a call. We have people that can speak to you in both English and Spanish. 760-534-4434. 7 days a week, 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. There's always going to be questions about the left-handed barbers. At least 2 questions. This is done deliberately, ladies and gentlemen. Only 10% of the human race is left-handed. But there's always a couple of left-handed barber questions. And when the average person reads about a left-handed barber, because they're right-handed 9 out of 10 times, I don't know what the answer is. It's not that complicated. Either give us a call or look in your book. The left-handed barber. There will be questions about the head rest. How do you clean it? How do you disinfect it? What do you do? Okay? Beard redesign. Where do you start? What do you use? Now, one thing they really enjoy asking about, because no one is prepared for this, the final steps of the shave procedure. A lot of people go in there, oh my God, they could shave your face blindfolded. They all miss these questions, the final steps in the shave procedure. So don't be that person. Give us a call, 760-534-4434. Visit us online, www.cosmetologystateboardexam.com. Get our book. It has every question for your state. And again, if you have any questions, give us a call, 760-534-4434.